Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to change fiat currency in Sparrow Wallet. Sparrow Wallet is a powerful desktop Bitcoin wallet that allows you to manage your Bitcoin securely. It is known for supporting advanced features like hardware wallet integration, multi-signature wallets, and direct connection to your own Bitcoin node. And one useful feature is the ability to display your Bitcoin balance in your local fiat currency so you can quickly see the value of your holdings in dollars, euros, rupees, or other currencies. And here's how to change the fiat currency in Sparrow Wallet step by step. First, you can go to your search on the bottom there and type down Sparrow Wallet, or you can simply select to this Sparrow Wallet, and over here you can simply open a wallet here. You can simply select a new wallet here and enter it over here. Once you get into this interface of your Sparrow Wallet, in the top left you can find this small file icon here. Click into this file icon and go to the setting here and over here we can find this fiat currency. You can select this fiat currency here and you'll find a ton of list, and after that you can simply select the currency that you want to put it, and you can return to your wallet overview screen, and your Bitcoin balances and transaction amounts should now display alongside your selected fiat currency. And changing the fiat currency only affects how the wallet displays value. It does not convert to actual Bitcoin. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and if you have any queries or confusion, please comment down and we will reach out to you very soon.